Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I introduce to everyone a very good software for the TikTok platform. The software will help you manage and nurture thousands of TikTok accounts with just one software TUG. You just need to access the software and install it as in the video I made, or when you use the software, I will guide you in detail. The software will manage and nurture your TikTok account automatically and effectively. There are also many other great functions, such as seeding live stream or creating automatic TikTok accounts. If you are interested in the software, please message me at the information below the screen.